Have you ever walked into a hotel room and immediately felt that everything looked spotless? The bed is perfectly made, the bathroom shines under the lights, the mirrors sparkle, and the entire room smells fresh. It creates the impression that every inch of the room has been deep cleaned just moments before you arrived. But have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes? Hotels welcome hundreds, sometimes thousands of guests every week, and housekeeping teams often have only 20 to 30 minutes to prepare each room for the next visitor. That means cleaners must work incredibly fast while still maintaining high standards. So today we're revealing the cleaning methods, shortcuts, and professional techniques that many hotels use, not because they're trying to hide them, but because most guests never think to ask. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how hotel rooms are cleaned, what areas deserve extra attention, and how you can protect yourself during your next stay. One of the biggest misconceptions is that every hotel room receives a complete deep cleaning after every guest checks out. In reality, there is a major difference between a turnover clean and a deep clean. A turnover clean is the routine cleaning performed between guests. During this process, housekeeping changes the bed linens, replaces towels, empties trash bins, vacuums the floors, wipes visible surfaces, disinfects the bathroom, and restocks toiletries. Deep cleaning, however, is much more intensive. It involves washing curtains, cleaning behind furniture, shampooing carpets, scrubbing grout, polishing vents, and sanitizing areas that aren't cleaned daily. Most hotels schedule deep cleaning periodically, rather than after every checkout, because it requires significantly more time and labor. That doesn't mean your room is dirty, it simply means that hotels focus their daily efforts on the areas that matter most for guest comfort and hygiene. Now let's talk about one of the cleanest parts of a hotel room, the bed. Many travelers assume that hotel beds are full of germs simply because so many people have slept there before. However, in reputable hotels, sheets and pillowcases are typically washed in industrial laundry systems using high temperatures and commercial-grade detergents designed to remove dirt and reduce bacteria. Fresh linens are one of the first things replaced after each guest checks out. The pillows and mattresses themselves are usually protected with washable covers, although these protective layers may not be replaced every single day. Luxury hotels often rotate and sanitize mattresses on a scheduled basis to keep them in excellent condition. So while the bed often looks like the most suspicious place, it's frequently one of the cleanest items in the room. Ironically, the dirtiest objects are often the ones that nobody notices. Television remotes, light switches, thermostat controls, door handles, elevator buttons, alarm clocks, telephones, hair dryer handles, and refrigerator handles are touched by nearly every guest. Because these are high-touch surfaces, they can accumulate germs quickly if they are not disinfected properly. Modern housekeeping protocols usually include disinfecting these items, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, when hotels around the world significantly upgraded their cleaning standards. Still, during busy periods, some smaller details may occasionally receive less attention than larger, more visible areas. That's why many experienced travelers carry disinfectant wipes and quickly clean frequently touched objects before settling into their room. It's a simple habit that takes less than a minute, but offers extra peace of mind. The bathroom is another area where appearances can be misleading. A sparkling sink and shiny mirror don't necessarily mean every surface has been scrubbed from top to bottom. But professional housekeeping teams follow systematic cleaning routines that prioritize sanitation. Toilets, sinks, countertops, showers, faucets, and bathroom floors are usually cleaned using disinfectants designed to eliminate bacteria and viruses. Different colored microfiber cloths are often used for separate areas to reduce cross-contamination. For example, one cloth for toilets and another for mirrors or countertops. High-end hotels also replace toilet paper rolls only when necessary to reduce waste while ensuring cleanliness. The smell of bleach or disinfectant often gives guests confidence, but professional cleaners know that proper contact time, the amount of time a disinfectant remains on a surface, is often more important than the smell itself. One of the most talked about items in hotel rooms is the drinking glass or coffee cup. Years ago, there were stories suggesting that some glasses were simply rinsed in bathroom sinks instead of being properly washed. While these stories received widespread attention, major hotel brands have since strengthened their hygiene standards. Today, most hotels either send glasses through commercial dishwashers or replace them with disposable cups or sealed alternatives. The same applies to coffee makers and electric kettles. They are generally cleaned according to hotel procedures, but many experienced travelers still choose to rinse them before use, especially if they have been sitting unused for several days. It's a personal preference rather than a necessity, but it's a simple precaution that many frequent travelers recommend. Another interesting secret isn't really about cleaning, it's about speed. Professional housekeepers develop incredibly efficient routines. Instead of cleaning randomly, they follow the same order every time. They begin by opening curtains and windows if possible, collecting trash, stripping the bed, spraying bathroom disinfectant so it has time to work, dusting furniture from top to bottom, vacuuming, making the bed, cleaning the bathroom, replacing amenities, and finally performing a quick inspection before leaving. This organized workflow allows one person to clean multiple rooms each day while maintaining consistency. Their speed comes from experience and repetition, not from skipping every important step. Many travelers also wonder whether hotels use special cleaning products that ordinary people cannot buy. In reality, the biggest difference isn't usually the chemicals, it's the equipment. Hotels often use commercial vacuums with stronger suction, microfiber cloths that trap dirt more effectively, steam cleaners for upholstery, industrial laundry machines, and concentrated cleaning solutions designed for heavy daily use. Combined with professional training and standardized checklists, these tools allow housekeeping teams to maintain hundreds of rooms efficiently. It's less about secret products and more about professional systems working together. So what can guests do to make their stay even safer? Simple habits make a big difference. Wash your hands after arriving. Wipe down frequently touched surfaces if it makes you feel more comfortable. Keep your toothbrush away from the sink. Store your luggage on the luggage rack instead of the bed. And report anything that doesn't appear clean to hotel staff immediately. Reputable hotels want satisfied guests and will usually respond quickly if there is a genuine concern. In the end, the real cleaning secret isn't that hotels are hiding something shocking. The true secret is that professional housekeeping relies on organization, training, industrial equipment, and carefully designed routines to clean rooms quickly and efficiently. While no environment used by thousands of people can ever be absolutely perfect, reputable hotels work hard to maintain high hygiene standards every single day. Understanding how these systems work helps separate internet myths from reality and allows you to travel with greater confidence. So the next time you check into a hotel room, you'll know exactly what happens behind the scenes and why those perfectly made beds and sparkling bathrooms are the result of skilled professionals working against the clock. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden world of hotel housekeeping, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more fascinating facts and behind-the-scenes mysteries from everyday life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.